Members of the Academic Staff Union of Universities ASUU are here at the National Industrial Court of Nigeria to face the suits filed against them by the federal government, challenging their industrial action which they embarked upon about 7 months ago. At the day's proceedings, counsel to the federal government, Mr. James Igwe, tells the judge that since the matter was already in court, it will be proper for the strike to be called off pending the determination of the suit. Counsel to ASUU, Femi Falana, however, reminds the court that the case was slated for Friday, September 16, for further mention and not for hearing. He confirms receipt of the federal government's motion for interlocutory injunction. Mr. Falana adds that ASUU is currently meeting with stakeholders to ensure that the lingering crisis is resolved, just as he appeals to the federal government to cooperate with them to resolve the issue. In his ruling, Justice Polycarp Hammond agreed with the counsel to ASUU that the case was adjourned for further mention and not hearing. He notes that the federal government's application was due for hearing. He also noted that the applications filed by the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project SARAP seeking to be joined is not ripe for hearing.
I am certainly sure that the federal government in their magnanimity wanted to exhaust the conciliatory processes. The Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment duly apprehended the strike and set up the necessary mechanisms towards the resolution, and the government was very, very serious about it. And then while those conciliatory processes were on, ASUU did the rollover strike and then had indefinite strike. So what the Minister of Labour and Employment has done to make this referral is in the best interest. I'm certainly sure he probably would have gone to court earlier, but he wanted to ensure there is conciliation.
Our appeal should go to the government to learn to respect agreements so that these strikes will not be necessary, in the interest of the nation and in the interest of our children. And notwithstanding the fact that the matter is in court, the government must be prepared to end this strike. Only the government can do so today.
The National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, also brought an application asking that the strike be called off as soon as possible.
The students are already short end of the stick. They are the victim in the deal of the case. So that's why we brought an application that in all they are doing, the elephants, in all ASUU is doing, in all the federal government is doing, they should consider the interest of the students and call off the strike.
The case was subsequently adjourned to September 19, 2022 for hearing of the interlocutory application of the federal government.